Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm doing the fat furnace because after almost 3 years after having a baby, I still need to lose a lot. And I'm Julie, and I'm doing the fat furnace because I'm ready to get back on track, get my body back, tone, and lose some inches.
Hi, I'm Julie. I just finished the 14-day fat furnace program. I lost 3 pounds, 3% body fat, and over 10 inches. I feel great. My clothes are fitting better. So if you're even thinking about starting this program, just do it. Just sign up. You won't regret it.